Hi guys, AR Malik here. In this video, I will show you how to download TikTok Live or create UK account. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's go to mobile screen and make sure if you have any TikTok account or application deleted. Then go to Play Store. Here you cannot download from here TikTok Live. Go to Google Chrome, search here TikTok Master APK download. Then click on its first website which you show on your screen. Click on this one or you can search here TikTok Live APK. Click on its first website, then go to dashboard and click on here TikTok Live APK. Click on download anyway. Now you can see the app is downloading in background. Here you can see the app is being downloaded. Let's wait. Now you can see the app has been downloaded. Click here and open it. It is taking app. Now click on this install option. It will take a little bit time and it will install. The app has been installed. Click on this open option and open the TikTok Live application. Skip this one and scroll up. When I scroll up, then click on your profile in bottom right corner. Now click on login. Then click on continue with Google. Add your Gmail account. With this method, you can simply create your TikTok Live account or create your TikTok on UK account. Thanks for watching my video.